Norway, Hardangervidda, a land of untamed beauty and raw wilderness. Even the name sounds wild, doesn't it? It conjures images of vast, untouched landscapes and the call of nature. It's like a place out of a Viking legend where ancient warriors once roamed these lands. This is where you go to experience the Arctic in all its frozen glory. This is where you come face to face with raw nature, where every step is an adventure. Hardangervidda is Norway's largest national park, a sanctuary for those seeking solitude and serenity. It's a high plateau, a mountaintop that's been flattened out over millions of years, creating a unique and breathtaking landscape. Think of it like a giant frozen table, miles and miles across, stretching as far as the eye can see. The wind howls across the open tundra, with nothing to stop it. Temperatures plummet below freezing, creating a harsh yet beautiful environment. This is not a place for the faint of heart. It demands resilience and a spirit of adventure. But for those who answer the call of the wild, Hardangervidda is a paradise, offering unparalleled beauty and challenge. It's a chance to test your limits, to push yourself further than you ever thought possible, and to discover your true potential. And it's a chance to witness some of the most incredible wildlife on Earth, from wild reindeer to Arctic foxes. Are you ready to explore, to embrace the wild and embark on an unforgettable journey? Imagine a sea of rocks stretching out as far as the eye can see. The landscape is vast and seemingly endless, a testament to the raw power of nature. This is the tundra of Hardangervidda, a place where the elements reign supreme. It's a harsh landscape, sculpted by ice and wind over millennia. The relentless forces have shaped every rock and crevice. The ground is a patchwork of moss and lichen, clinging to life in the thin soil. These resilient plants are the pioneers of this rugged terrain. Towering above the tundra are glaciers, ancient rivers of ice, slowly carving their way through the mountains. These glaciers have been here for thousands of years. These glaciers are a reminder of the power of nature, a force that shapes the world in ways both subtle and dramatic. Listen closely. You might hear the groan of the ice as it shifts and cracks, a symphony of nature's raw power. Hidden among the rocks and ice are waterfalls, cascading down from the heights. These waterfalls are like veins, bringing life to the tundra. These waterfalls are a source of life in this barren landscape, nourishing the flora and fauna that thrive here. They provide water for the plants and animals that call Hardangervidda home, creating pockets of lushness in an otherwise stark environment. It's a land of stark beauty, both intimidating and awe-inspiring, where every element tells a story of survival and resilience. Hardangervidda is home to an incredible array of creatures, all perfectly adapted to survive in this extreme environment. The most iconic animal here is the reindeer. Thousands of them roam these highlands, their hooves clicking against the rocks. Seeing a herd of reindeer thundering across the tundra is a sight you'll never forget. Keep an eye out for the Arctic fox. These cunning predators are masters of camouflage. Their thick white fur blends in perfectly with the snow. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a snowy owl, its piercing yellow eyes scanning the ground for prey. These animals are tough. They have to be to survive here. Standing on the edge of the Hardangervidda plateau, you can't help but feel humbled. The vast expanse stretches out before you, a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. This is a place of extremes, where the forces of nature are on full display. From the fierce storms that sweep across the plateau to the relentless waves that carve the fjords. The wind bites at your face, reminding you that you're just a visitor in this wild and unforgiving land. Each gust is a reminder of nature's untamed spirit. But amidst the harshness, there's also beauty, the beauty of resilience. Snow-covered trees stand tall, and sunlight breaks through the clouds, painting a serene winter landscape. The beauty of creatures perfectly adapted to their environment. Arctic foxes, reindeer, and ptarmigans thrive in these conditions, showcasing nature's incredible adaptability. The beauty of a landscape sculpted over millennia. Glacial and ancient rock formations tell the story of time's passage, a silent witness to the Earth's history. Hardangervidda is a reminder that nature always finds a way. Rivers carve paths through the land, plants and animals adapt and survive, no matter the season. Remember, the wild is always out there, waiting to be explored. Hikers traverse its trails, setting up camps to experience the raw beauty firsthand. Just make sure you're prepared. Stay safe. Equip yourself with the right gear and knowledge to respect and navigate this formidable terrain, and respect the power of nature. The waterfalls, rivers, and untamed landscapes are a testament to nature's enduring strength and majesty.